Scott have been supplying the mining industry with world-leading sample preparation equipment for over 50 years. With Rocklabs equipment in over 100 countries around the globe, our ingenuity and technical excellence makes us the perfect partner for custom solutions tailored to fit any situation or application. The Roboprep Automated Aggregate Analysis Laboratory has been designed to automate the process of analysing aggregate samples for moisture content, fines content and particle size distribution. Working to strict international standards, the results of the system are presented in a comprehensive report that's auto-generated and sent direct to the user's database. Robot 1 collects and distributes trays of samples to various stations, and Robot 2 organises the second part of the system, centering around sample sieving. In order to accurately determine moisture content, the sample can be loaded into the oven either from the splitting station, the fines wash station, or directly from the in-feed conveyor and dried for a fixed period, all based on the recipe set points that have been auto-populated. The fines wash station determines the quantity of fines in the sample. Samples are washed with water through a sieve and the runoff water measured for clarity. The clean sample is then returned to the oven, dried and re-weighed to calculate an exact reduction in mass, creating a highly accurate fines measure for each sample. 4 sieve racks contain up to 60 sieves of various sizes, all fitted with RFID tracking tags. Robot 2 continuously monitors the samples in the system and pre-builds sieve stacks using the data auto-populated from the recipe file, ready for the next sample in the queue. When ready, the next sample is automatically collected by Robot 1, handed to Robot 2, tipped into the pre-built sieve stack, and the entire stack is then moved to the sieve shaker. The sieve shaker then separates the aggregate into various sizes that make up the entire sample. The shaker parameters are set to strict international standards and populated based on the user's database. After the shakedown, the entire stack is moved over to the de-stack station. Robots 1 and 2 now work together to break down the finished stack. As each sieve is removed, it is weighed to determine the retained sample mass, emptied into the retained tray, cleaned and sent to the vision inspection station before being deemed ready for reuse and placed back into the sieve rack. After every sieve use, the vision inspection station checks for blockages and damage. Trays that are returned to the rack are auto-washed, dried and returned to the loading station after use. If the recipe requires the sample to be retained, it is automatically taken care of and the sample is placed back into a tray ready to archive or for further processing outside of this system. The Roboprep Automated Aggregate Analysis Laboratory is just one example of Scott ingenuity and custom-made systems that provide optimized productivity, personnel safety and quality control.